Are you running out of space on Google Drive? Or just curious how much storage you've got left? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to check your available storage on Google Drive in 2025. It's simple, quick, and works on any device, so you can manage your files smarter and avoid those annoying storage full messages. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser or on your mobile app and make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Storage is linked to your account, so double check that you're using the one you want to review. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of the Google Drive interface if you're on desktop. Here you'll see a storage indicator showing how much space you've used and how much is remaining out of your total quota, usually 15 gigabytes for free accounts. Click on it, and it will take you to a detailed breakdown. On mobile, tap the three horizontal lines, the menu icon at the top left. Then scroll down and select Storage. You'll instantly see your total space, how much is used, and what's taking it up. This is where it gets interesting. Google Drive storage isn't just for Drive files, it's shared across Gmail, Google Photos, and Drive. So if your storage is nearly full, it might not even be your Drive files causing it. It could be large email attachments or old photos stored in original quality. The breakdown page will show you which service is using the most. From here, you can click on Manage Storage to see a detailed view of your files, sorted by size. This helps you identify what's eating up space. You can delete large files, empty your trash, or even upgrade your plan if you need more storage. Google One plans start with expanded space and added features like extra security and sharing options with your family group. Checking your storage regularly can save you a lot of trouble. No more last-minute panic when you can't upload an important document or back up your photos. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your available storage on Google Drive in 2025 and how to keep it under control. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides, and let me know in the comments how much space do you have left on your Google Drive right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.